Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
Àwọn ọmọ kọ́mọ ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀lẹ́ ayé kírú kékeré lè ti máa pààyàn. Orí èèyàn lẹ́wọ̀ lẹ́lẹ́yàn. Ọmọ kékeré tẹ̀ ń bá ṣiṣẹ́. Fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tí ẹ gbọ́ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì àti pidgin tí wọ́n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọmọ yìí ṣàlàyé fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá wípé àwọn ọlọ́pàá rí orí èèyàn nínú nylon tó gbé sí. Ó wá nígbà tí wọ́n ṣàmú, ó wá sọ fún wọn wípé àwọn fẹ́ lọ sin ni. Ọlọ́pàá ń bèèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé fẹ́ lọ sin orí èèyàn nìkan. Àwọn ará ẹ̀ tó kù ńkọ́ lọ́lọ́rẹ́ òun ló ge obìnrin. Ẹ̀yin wo lẹjọ́ ń ṣiṣẹ́ òun ní àwọn kan ni. Kí ló dé tẹ pa wọn lọ́kadà ní wípé àwọn táwọn jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ rò bóyá wọ́n ní information ni bó ṣe sọ nínú pidgin ẹ̀ nìyẹn ṣe máa gbọ́ wípé bíi pé informant nìyẹn máa fẹ́ jẹ́ nìyẹn pé nǹkan táwọn ṣe pa nìyẹn. Ló bá láwọn méjì làwọn pa láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ yẹn àárọ̀ ọjọ́ tí wọ́n pa ẹni. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n jẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ ṣe ra ọmọ mi bó ṣe look innocent ọmọ kékeré. Táwọn ilé ẹ̀gọ́ àtẹ̀mẹ́ná máa.
Now tell us.
They're lie. They put it inside sack, inside the bag. Inside bag. Bring that bag. We are back going with it. We are back going with it before we start.
Where are you carrying the head to?
They brought the bag.
No, not burying. You need the head now. That's why you detach it from the body.
They want to take and go. If you want to bury, why must you put it inside bag?
Why did you remove the head?
Why? Bring that bag from that flood.
My friend.
Yes.
No, be this one. The one bag will buy. That is both down. One bag full of
that's land people. So they coming here to do information.
Talk loud.
And they carry this man with the fuel. This man just made them leave and say nothing. This man
we wanna keep.
Yes. This man say nothing to make them leave and say no be information.
I want to fire this one. This one leave it in our run.
How will I not fire these people? Why did you allow them to go?
I got from
We will get them.
Honestly, okay.
What's your name?
Chinema.
You are from where? In Bridge. Who's your father?
Akachu.
Then what are you doing here?
They are around.
This place is my maternal home.
How many people have you killed? Before now?
It's only 2 people they killed this morning.
Where is the head of that person?
I don't know the court the other person here. There's only this person I know that the court.
The other boy, they no cut in place. They don't cut them. They run with that.
Oh, they carry the head of that one too. So what of the body?
He's saying no where they bury it.
You know where they buried it? What of the other man?
You get one motor where they for front there. That man motor. You get road where enter inside. Now where they carry on go, but I don't know the place where they carry on.
When I was passport around where we go first.
Waiting back 12. I've been in office for 3 years and 3 months, okay? If we have arrested 100 criminals, non-mafia, kidnappers, and so on and so forth, 99.99% of them will mark Igbo. Did you hear me right? I said 99.99% of them will mark Igbo. So these things are made because that was part of the lie that was put in propaganda. They are into kidnapping because it is the next lucrative business after Yahoo and drug. The next one for find is about kidnapping. And this is even other states. If I not where we do all Anambra. Onye nke na village fa ogote motorcycle me adwa kelifa na abia ka etinye na line akwali abai mafia mama how to ifa iji dey also on the Fulani. I'll repeat and I want you to quote me right. 99.99% of all the criminals, kidnappers and so on that were arrested so far Igbos are the ones kidnapping Igbos. They are the ones killing Igbos. All these camps. And by the way, because I came with the same false narrative. The false narrative, oh, the Fulanis, they are invading our people. They are now everywhere. They are waiting for a whistle to be blown. And this, and they will take over. And therefore, we are the one who are the liberators. We are now going into the bush to go to chase out the Fulanis. Nobody asked the question. They are now banning mafia to go and liberate you. How do they feed 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year? How do they feed? How do they feed? So that's, you see, I like I said, I'm one of you, but I decided to go home. Actually, in '99, I was a visiting professor at Swarthmore College. Okay? And I remember the last conversation of Johannes and them fought, because from there I moved down here to DC, to the World Bank, where I spent 18 months. I was just leaving and they were having a set-forth party. And I remember the chairman of the department wishing that I could spend maybe a much longer time. My response was, a friend there called me several years to say how my response touched him, a white man. Asked me if God in his infinite wisdom decided in Memoria Africa, there must be a purpose. And I couldn't fulfill that purpose in this land. Here, that my marginal contribution to American civilization is next to 0.something%. But my marginal contribution to the advancement of civilization in Africa will be, you see how your presence elevates the quality of discussion and decisions, and so on. And tomorrow, one of the meetings in that project, when I left Swarthmore to the World Bank, I was a long-term consultant, and we produced a book published by the World Bank in 2000 entitled Can Africa Claim the 21st Century?
Àjọkẹ́ àti Akànní ẹ jókòó. Ṣé ẹ ra Akànní? Jókòó síbẹ̀. Princess ló jẹ́ kí n máa mú Akànní jáde. If not, inú cage ló bá máa gbẹ̀yìn ayé ẹ̀ sí. Ara ẹ kò kí ń balẹ̀. Mo máa pè ẹ́, ara ò ní balẹ̀. Wo bó ṣe ń ṣẹnu ṣé wọ́n nìkan lajá ń bíbí ni? Mo yá ẹ, ìwọ̀n tí ń yán sóúnjẹ tó ti jẹ. Kí ló ń ṣe gbogbo yín náà? Kí n tó fún ẹ jẹ, ó yẹ kí n nù ẹ́. Because of why? Because you don't listen. It's only obedient dog that eats good food. But unfortunately for you, your helper is showing face. Your helper, they are now showing face. Akànní, so you said get glory. I'm talking to you. Look here. One person on over me. Why? Chicken lele. Both of you, don't run. Don't run. Immediately, I'm happening half. You know half tiẹ̀, máa jẹ ẹsẹ̀ díẹ̀. Nínú half tiẹ̀, máa jẹ ẹsẹ̀ díẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ni kí ló ṣe? Tí bá ti ní mo fẹ́ jẹ oúnjẹ tiẹ̀, ilé ẹ̀ á dẹ̀ máa bínú. Àjọkẹ́. Wá dẹ̀ máa bínú. Ṣé wọ́n nìkan tó dá wà fún ni? Sure. Ẹ̀yin méjì wá síbí báyìí. Ẹ wá síbí. Ẹ wòlíì. Wá síbí báyìí. Come here. Eléyìí ò kì í gbàdúrà kò use mọ́. Àti ò kì í jáde. Ó wà lára kan tí glory official. Kò kì í gbàdúrà. Ṣá wá síbí báyìí. Akànní, lọ gba wájú yẹn. Máa bọ̀ bí ẹ̀yà máa bọ̀. Jehovah, Jésù Kristi Michael mímọ́. Bàbá wa lókè àwọn ọmọ rẹ tún dé lónìí. Bàbá ilé tó pèsè yìí. Ó ga síbẹ̀. This is called the Nigerian chicken suya. The Nigerian chicken suya made by the #1 of Aboki in the state of Kwara. Bàbá dúpẹ́, àdúpẹ́, bàbá wa dúpẹ́, bàbá dúpẹ́, bàbá wa dúpẹ́, bàbá dúpẹ́, bàbá wa dúpẹ́. Bàbá dúpẹ́. Orúkọ Jésù Olúwa wa. Àmín. Ìwọ. Ẹ má débẹ̀ o. Ológun mo ti ní kó jẹ. Ẹ jókòó. Díẹ̀ ni.
gbogbo wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì mo kí wá pé akúbójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí mo kí ẹ̀yin ìyá mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mo kí àbúrò. Quick one, nice one. It might not be nice one, but quick one. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ wípé àkójọpọ̀ náà lórí àwa ọmọ kóòtù òjìrè òun ló jẹ wá lógún tá a máa ń gbé yẹ̀wò lórí ìkànnì wa yìí. Awuyewuye kan lọ lórí ayélujára.
Would you miss your ex-president Buhari?
No, I will not miss him.
I don't really miss him. I don't.
It's not possible. I'm not even missing him for 1%.
No, not in any way. Who is Buhari?
Those that benefited from him might miss him now, but more than 100 million Nigerians will not miss him.
I beg, talk another thing, Joe. Let me pray Buhari. What you concern me? Nothing concern me and Buhari, I beg.
Yes, I will miss him.
You miss him?
Yes. As a human being, yeah, every life is precious. Yeah, so I will miss him based on that.
No, I don't miss him.
You don't miss him at all?
At all.
So you're not missing him at all?
Are you missing him?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Why? Why wouldn't you miss that man?
Because he put Nigerians through a lot for that 8 years that he was a president. So I can't really say I'm going to miss him.
He's not a good leader. He never cared. He didn't even know what was happening in Nigeria. How can I miss a man like that?
The economy of Nigeria is down because of that man. And they rigged the election and give it to Tinubu because of that man.
Look at the condition of Nigeria. We need deliverance. The country is going down the drain. Nigeria is almost like it's not a country.
No rule of law, poor human rights. Nnamdi Kanu is still in prison. Even this Tinubu said, what is the boy still doing in prison?
Has he not done something to effect change in Nigeria that will make you miss him?
Positive or negative change?
Positive change.
I don't think there's any.
I don't see anything Buhari have done for the country. Because of the way he left the country, I'm not in support of any president. Even the present one now, I don't support them.
Are you saying that there's nothing this man has ever done that can make you at least remember him for?
He told us during the campaign that he was going to fight corruption, which was the main reason why people voted for him, based on the fact that they knew him during his military time as a disciplinarian. But at the end of the day, it was during his regime that we really experienced corruption in the open. So he didn't really do anything positive. It's just a continuation, it's a circle.
He invited the Fulanis from the Niger Republic, and he spent a lot of Nigeria money to construct road to Niger.
No, I only remember him for the bad things. When he was in the military, yes, telling us saying war against indiscipline. The Nigerians are not free, they can't talk there. You don't do that here now. It's in London, everybody's free.
What would you have wanted to see different from Buhari's regime?
In terms of security, to have taken it seriously.
Cost of living, 1. Cost of petrol, 2.
Good road, work. You a graduate in Nigeria, do you know how much you will be earning? If you earn 60,000, you will be clapping yourself. Let them provide for the masses. They cannot put the remaining in their pockets.
Insecurity in Nigeria is being like that, and it's not going to change because all of them are the same. Look at Tinubu, for instance. It's even worse than Buhari.
I think they should have done more. In terms of healthcare in Nigeria, I see no reason why they should come abroad. It's a shame that he died in abroad. So what is happening to our hospital? So he has not done anything anyway.
I feel like shedding tears right now, honestly.
We need to shed. If he's shedding our tears, we redeem Nigeria. I don't mind. I will shed it for money.
If Buhari double in Sudan and press him into service as Nigeria's president, what? That representative of the Jubril family, that is the supposed impostor, having discovered the gigantic swindle, suddenly showed up in Abuja the other day and demanded to be compensated with a power-sharing arrangement at the federal level in perpetuity, plus 50% of Nigeria's oil revenues for 10 years in the first instance. Now, that was on the back page of the Nations of Tuesday, 27th of November. That, and I quote, failing these, they would tell their story to the whole world. It further stated that the Nigerian authorities have entered into frantic negotiations with Jubri's family to head off what is sure to be the world's dirtiest and worst kept secret, he said. And he concluded by saying that Britain is mediating its end. So far, to my knowledge, no official statement has refuted this claim, which simply implies Nigeria may truly be up for sale. The question is, has Nigeria now suddenly become a population of fools? I believe it's time to come away from our slumber and salvage this nation from slavery. If this evil tide is not dealt with quickly and decisively, Nigeria may be about to be recolonized the second time, and this time by another African country. What a shame and what a misfortune that will be. God forbid. You know, when we pray, we must be sensitive to the ongoings. If this
is actually still in London, right? Now, I have more things to show you. Now, when you look at your screen, you see this is death certificate of the then Muhammadu Buhari. Let me zoom it a little bit. I don't want it to lose quality. Now, if you look at this place here, you can see it's boldly written Buhari Muhammadu General. I don't know if you are seeing it properly, honestly speaking, because I don't want you to over zoom it so it doesn't lose quality. You see, this is Buhari Muhammadu General. You can see the date, and this certificate was issued on the 13th of September 2017. I want you to follow them. I don't want to over zoom it so it doesn't lose quality. Look at it. Federal Republic of Nigeria, National Population Commission, death certificate. This is Buhari's original death certificate in 2017. So those of you who are still believing today that Buhari just died yesterday, you be mumu, eligogumu. In fact, why had you them as in the Kanu yet? Nobody, they are not raising the issue of Nurse Buhari Amugo. Ask yourself why. Why did they play down on that allegation? Why? I'm asking why. Because they know that we have all these things. They know that there are lots of evidences. There are so many evidences to prove that Buhari was already late in 2017. Now, as if this death certificate is not enough, recall that there was a rumor. There was a rumor back then about Queen Elizabeth. We're going to read that her letter moving forward. Now, let me show you another one. So, if you look here, likewise, the first one, I don't want to over zoom it so it doesn't lose quality, just exactly like the previous one. So, you see, London Bridge Hospital, Regional Medical Laboratory. I want to challenge them. If Buhari was not dead here, they should come out and tell us the name of the hospital Buhari traveled or Buhari was treated in 2017. Yes, they should come out and tell us the name. We need evidence from them of if it's not this very hospital, they should come with another evidence to counter this claim that Buhari was not even in this very, of course, London Bridge Hospital. They should come and give us another evidence to prove that it was another place where Buhari attended in London, another top-class hospital in London. They should come out and tell us. Now look at it. The name is there. Look at the Regional Medical Laboratory. This is the test. Look at it. The Buhari's lab test. Buhari Muhammadu. Look at it. It's written there. Buhari test. I want you to follow the mouse here. Buhari test. Buhari test results. You can see it. Buhari test result is there. Everything is there. So this is the test report directly from the hospital in London, 2017. You understand? It is very, very clear. So anybody telling you all those garbage, these people, if only you people should keep it public, keep it open. Keep it open. We want to be seeing the face of that so-called Buhari. Don't hide anything. He used to be the former president, so he used to be a public figure. So keep it open. Let us see how it happened. Mad people everywhere. Nothing saying everybody be mumu. Now let me show you what Queen Elizabeth did when Buhari joined his ancestors in the year 2017. The Queen of Britain Her Royal Majesty Queen Elizabeth II has sent message of condolence to the family of Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari and the people of Nigeria. The death of President Buhari came to us as a shock. He has been one of the active pillars in Africa. May the good people of Nigeria and Africa know that our hearts are with them in these hard times, the Queen said. You understand? So it's pure. It's pure. This very, letter is what they have done everything within their powers to hide, to make sure that they erase any evidence to show that Buhari was actually gone in 2017. They tried everything they could to erase this very evidence, but we still have it. We still have it. Oh, yes, we have it. And we are going to make use of it anytime, any day.
If you are sleeping in a position...
Hello, gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá lápapọ̀ mo mà kí yín o. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi dá lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyá Cassette. Ìyá Cassette yàrá ó ní Ìgbòho ó ń yọ Muhammadu Buhari. Ẹni tí ò bá ní làákàyè torí ẹ̀ ti dọ́ọ̀lù tó jẹ́ ìkà abiyẹmọ tó jẹ́ ọ̀dájú ló máa ń hùwà bí Ìyá Cassette ṣe ń hùwà yìí o. Ìyá Cassette ò ń ṣe èèyàn o, ò ń ṣe èèyàn lásán o. Ó ti ní skọ́skán. Ìyá yẹn ti ní skọ́skán ti wà lórí ẹ̀. Ó mọ iye àwọn tó inú wọn ń dùn pé Muhammadu Buhari jáde láyé. Ó mọ iye àwọn tó ń jubilate ní Kano, ní Lausa, láwọn àlùmọ́jìrì tí wọ́n ń dùn pé Muhammadu Buhari jáde láyé. Wọ́n á sọ̀rọ̀ pé Sunday Igboho. Ó mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Sunday Igboho ni. Orú ẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Sunday ọmọ Adéyẹmọ tó fi kúrò Nàìjíríà tó fi dèrò Kútọ̀nù. Orú ẹ̀ máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àkọ́bí ẹ̀. Ìkà ni yín o. Ẹ ń ṣe èèyàn re, ẹ ń ṣe èèyàn, ẹ ń ṣe ìdarí. Ìjọ́ tí mo ti máa ń gbọ́rọ̀ ẹnu yín pàṣíàwà náà rẹ̀. Torí pé o ti jẹ́ran Fúlàní ní ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìran Fúlàní wọ́n ní kẹ́ máa fìyà jẹran Yorùbá ni. Abacha ṣe tiẹ̀ ó lọ. Babangida náà ṣe tiẹ̀. Olórí burúkú wọn á padà kú, wọn á padà máa bẹ̀ pé kọ́mọ Nàìjíríà ṣàforíjì fáwọn. Àforíjì tí ò lè bá wọn. Àforíjì ò lè bá wọn. Torí pé nígbà tí wọ́n wà láyé wọn ò tọrọ àforíjì ká ṣàforíjì fún wọn. Ọlọ́run àforíjì ò lè bá wọn because Ọlọ́run gan sọ pé tó bá dijọ́ gbèdé akamọ̀ ó máa gbàwọ̀ forúkálùkù. A máa gbàwọ̀ wa lọ́wọ́ wọn. Àforíjì ò lè bá wọn. Ọlọ́run ṣe wọn lólórí fún wa. Ọlọ́run ṣe wọn lólórí fún wa. Wọ́n dẹ̀ padà jàmbá. Ìyàwó Muhammadu Buhari wá jáde ó wá ní ọkọ òun sọ pé kó tó kú ọkọ òun sọ pé kóun tọrọ àforíjì lọ́wọ́ bú. Ó mọ̀ pé Ìgbòho ló ń kọ́ tọrọ àforíjì lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ àti Kánú. Ó mọ̀ pé àwọn tí Muhammadu Buhari tó ní lára nìyẹn bí táwọn búkàrà mú àti orí nǹkan kan ṣe fún wọn. Ìyá Cassette ẹ̀ ní làákàyè yín ti kú. Ẹ ṣáà fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn ṣáà máa gbóhùn yín kọ́ lè mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin náà ń sọ̀rọ̀. Tí wọ́n bá máa sọ̀rọ̀ tágbàlagbà bá máa sọ̀rọ̀ wàá á sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ò ní ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ò ní ìbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run tó sọ pé kánábì kéde tàbátì àdá àbílàbì lé Àbújálì lórí. Ṣé kìí ṣe pé ànábì yọ Àbújálì ni? Ànábì yọ Àbújálì ni pé Ọlọ́run sọ pé tàbátì àdá àbílàbì wátàbà òun rẹ́yìn àwọn ọ̀tá òun. Ọ̀tá èèyàn wá kú wá ní kéèyàn máa dùnú. Ṣé tí kéèyàn máa dùnú tọ̀tá ìbá kú? Olóṣì nìyẹn. Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀tá wa tó ìkù wọ́n máa kú lójú wa ni. Ọlọ́run máa gbé wa lékè. Ẹ̀yin aṣebi ìkà abiyẹran onóhun Ìyá Cassette ìkà àwọn ọ̀dájú èèyàn ẹnu ẹlẹ́wà yẹn wọ́n máa gbẹ́ iná bọ̀bọ̀ ṣe bí wọn.
Ìwọ̀nba nǹkan tó ń lọ lórí ayélujára àwọn èèyàn ń gbọ́ o. Ẹlòmíì tẹ́ expect ó ń gbọ́ pẹ̀lú yín ó pààrọ̀ orúkọ ni. Gẹ́gẹ́ bọ́ ẹ máa ń sọ pé orúkọ tó bá àwọn onílà lè jẹ́ lẹ́yìn odi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Lórúkọ lẹ́yìn odi mo kí wáyé pàkó bójú ọjọ́ ṣeré mo kẹ́yìn ìyá mo kẹ́yìn bàbá mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mo kí àbúrò mi ọmọ yẹn lólùfẹ́ yín. Ayé ọpẹ́ yọ ṣe yọ lọ́dọ̀ sí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ máa yọ fún wa o. Lórí wa lórí ọmọ lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa. Òun láyé ọpẹ́ òun ló máa fi máa yọ fún wa. Bí bẹ́ẹ̀ la máa mú ètò ti ọjọ́ tèmi ètò dáwọ́ dúró sí lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí wípé God bless you, one love, ire o, ire gbangba. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa share, ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti bá wa fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì tí yín náà sílẹ̀. Ojú wo lẹ fi wò, báwo ló ṣe rí? Ẹ bá wa fílẹ̀ nínú comment section. Àkí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ń bá wa like fídíò wa, tẹ́ ní bá wa share. Ọlọ́run ò ní ṣe ẹ̀yin náà ní ẹ̀yin nìkan lágbára lọ́wọ́ àṣẹ̀dá.